second baseman, number 6, Henry Castillo.
Oh, downtown.
Everybody clap your hands.
Now batting, your designated hitter, number 29, Milky Mesa.
Downtown talk. Hi, downtown. I only have 4 fingers. Just have 4 fingers. And I have 5. You know, downtown only has 4 fingers. Oh. But how do they have 4 fingers? Oh, maybe the Probably just two hands. Wow. I seen downtown the first time since I saw the flag parade. I was at ESY. Stick my
Go buy one. Go buy one. Wait, let me tell you. Right there, wait.
There's downtown.
I'm definitely scared of spiders, and I held that spider. I freaked out. He told, like, literally, he made me close my eyes and he sat it on my hands because I could not do it. Look at Chase. Yeah, Chase. Get it, Chase. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Where'd the music go?
Get a picture. You have your phone on you.
Get it now! Don't yell at me, you're big.
Not all our children.
It's okay.
All means all.
I got a video.
Good. Now here's a number you can send.
And now pitching for your York Revolution, left-hander, number 32, Ian Thomas. Leading off the New Britain Bees. Two birdies, K-man of the game, first baseman, number 35, Yohan Wilson.
You didn't tell me that. Oh, you just.
And it's for no survivors. Why, yo!
Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. Ask it for friends who do that.
Never. That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. Ask it for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it.
And it's for anywhere, anytime at all. In the deep blue sea.
I don't understand this. I feel all teammates now. Can we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay.
That means for God. What is your wish when you die? And you kick my nose, stick your chin down the side, let me hear it fly.
To get back to school. We're gonna be leaving soon.
Hey, downtown. Hey, downtown. Downtown never talks.
Nope, downtown doesn't talk. He's not a talking mascot.
How would he come to you?
Oh, we were kidding.
I changed my mind. I want something cold.
I'm a week for somebody to go with me.
Oh, sorry.
No, I would have flew back again.
This is really good ice cream.
You're missing magical moments. She has downtown. Well, I wouldn't have to miss it if you took pictures of it. Oh.
Look. Getting a picture. Here it is.
Thank you. She's like, you're really good. And probably soft in the costume. Oh yeah, she loved it. She loved touching those alligator tails. She thought that was the coolest.
She loved touching those alligator tails. She thought that was the coolest. 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 She thought that was the coolest.
Cool.
This is Ubi Loco.